In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in Google Sheets. If you're getting ready to print a spreadsheet and the layout just doesn't look right on the page, changing the page orientation can make a big difference. For example, portrait mode works well for taller, narrower sheets, while landscape mode is usually better for wider tables with lots of columns. The good news is that Google Sheets makes this very easy to adjust right from the print settings. To get started, open the spreadsheet you want to work with in Google Sheets. Once it's open, go ahead and open the print settings. The quickest way to do that is by pressing Ctrl and P on Windows or Command and P on a Mac. If you prefer using the menu, you can also click File and then choose Print. Either method will take you to the same place, so just use whichever feels more natural. When the print settings page opens, look over to the menu on the right-hand side. This is where you'll find the main options for how your spreadsheet will appear when printed or exported, depending on the version or layout you're seeing. The section you need may be labeled Formatting or Print Settings. Take a moment to scan through that panel until you find the page setup options. Next, look for the setting called Page Orientation. This is the option that controls whether your sheet prints vertically or horizontally. Select Portrait if you want the page to be taller than it is wide. Select Landscape if you want more horizontal space across the page. If your spreadsheet includes many columns, Landscape is often the better choice because it helps fit more content without cutting anything off or shrinking the text too much. After choosing the orientation you want, review the preview on the screen if it's available. This gives you a chance to confirm that the sheet now looks the way you expect. Once you're happy with it, click Next. That will move you forward to your system's print dialog or to the PDF export step, depending on what you're doing, and that's all it takes to change page orientation in Google Sheets. It's a simple setting, but it can really improve how readable and professional your printed spreadsheet looks. Thanks for